Hey everybody, welcome to Ladybug Girl Show. Today we are feeding chickens. I just bought some new feed and we're just trying it out. Grandpa's here with me and he's gonna feed the chickens now. Grandpa's feeding the chickens organic corn mixed with some layer pellet and sunflower.
Come on. You have to all come running out because you just gotta run back.
Everybody's hungry because it's been real cold. We do a nice long line so they don't fight over it nearly as much. Oh, those two are fighting though. But everybody else is pretty happy. I bought sunflower seeds too, but the sunflower seeds I poured in my bucket first, so we won't be able to get to those until a little bit later. But we're all stocked up on chicken feed. And Grandpa's all done feeding. The rooster kind of watches every step, huh? We got 2 ducks and a couple dozen chickens.
Okay,
All done?
that's the way I spread it out so that
Yeah, everybody gets a chance to eat.
everybody can get some.
Well, good job.
Tomorrow morning I'll see if there's any left. So far,
I don't think so. I think they're gonna eat it all.
I think so too.
It's been down in the teens that night.
If we see any left, then we're giving them too much.
Yep, that's true. Boy, the duck sure likes that corn.
Oh yeah.
That's funny. Both ducks are over there. Okay, it's cold, so we better get back inside.
I seen them get out there,
Yeah,
and I'm sure they can get out there.
I know. We'll secure it better. Alright, so that's it for this episode of Ladybug Girl Show. Be sure to comment, leave me a message below. I love hearing from you. And I will get going. Thanks for watching this episode. Bye!